Ever feel like you've lost the magic wand for your Squarespace site's look? Let's bring those design options back into focus. The first step to rediscovering your site's aesthetic control is right here. In your main Squarespace dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find the primary navigation menu. We're going to click on the Design option. Think of this as your central hub for all things visual on your website. Once you click Design, a submenu will appear, giving you access to a range of powerful customization tools. Don't be overwhelmed. We'll go through the most impactful ones. The Site Styles option is your playground. This is where you'll find the core settings to tweak almost everything about your site's appearance, from headings to buttons. Within Site Styles, you can dive deep. Let's imagine you want to change your site's color palette. You'll navigate to the Colors section here. You can select preset themes or customize individual color elements to perfectly match your brand. Squarespace makes it incredibly intuitive to see your changes in real time. Next up, fonts. This is crucial for establishing your brand's personality. Under the Fonts section, you can choose from a curated list of font pairings or select your own for headings, body text, and even buttons. Experiment with different combinations until you find typography that speaks volumes. Don't forget your branding essentials. The Site Title and Logo option, usually found directly under the main Design menu, is where you can upload or edit your site's name and your logo. This is a key element of your website's identity, so make sure it's just right. So don't fret if you can't find a specific design tool. It's almost always nestled within the Design menu. Explore, experiment, and get back to crafting that beautiful, unique website you've envisioned on Squarespace. Happy designing!